Although the VI Bureau of Economic Research is still crunching numbers, they say the latest Sequester budget cuts will impact the most vulnerable in society. In a phone conference Thursday, Director Wartenberger said so far they've only analyzed the expense side for 2013.
We're looking at a bare minimum of about 10 to 12 million for the territory. I'm sure that there'll be some modifications or changes that we have to put in place.
Berger says the VI will lose over $10 million each year through fiscal year 2021, totaling over $100 million. In their impact analysis, it states federal spending will impact education, human services, and transportation systems almost immediately. And further, these impacts are in addition to the current 5% cut in government fiscal year 2013 operating budget, a growing unfunded pension liability, and ever-increasing health care and mental health costs. A look at the numbers shows education will reduce federal grant funding by $2.6 million, human services by $1.7 million, including over $700,000 for Head Start and $1.6 million for Public Works. Now, there are exemptions and special rules for many programs. However, the analysis says indirect costs to Virgin Islanders remains unclear, as many program cuts are difficult to estimate at this time.
Once we get past March 1 and there's some changes in terms of how it affects the Virgin Islands budget going forward, we'll actually do some more analysis.
However, officials do know the VI faces a 9.4% reduction in defense-related federal funding and 8.2% cut for non-defense government entities receiving federal funds. But if our local unemployment rate continues to increase, Berger says the federal spending cuts will hamper economic growth efforts that we might not be able to handle.
That's an enormous hit that this budget can't take.
For News 2, I'm Erica Bivens.